Hello students. In real number, we have seen in the last slide that how root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, etc. are irrational number can be proved, and we have proved root 7. Similarly, others can be done. Now in that continuation, today we will see the binomial type of number. One rational and other irrational is either with plus sign or minus sign or into or divide. That is sum of a rational and irrational, difference of a rational irrational, multiplication of a rational irrational, and division of a rational irrational number finally results an irrational number. So how this can be proved that such type of numbers are irrational? For simplicity, better to go through an example. So here I am taking to prove that 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. So this one. So let us see how this can be proved. So students, again we have the same process of indirect method or contradiction method. So we will suppose that 6 plus root 2 is a rational number which is equal to a by b, where a and b are integers, b is not 0, and there is no common factor other than 1 between a and b. So then from this supposition we can write here that 6 plus root 2 now equal to a plus b, a by b. So 6 plus root 2 equal to a by b. Transposing this, just keeping root 2 in one side and remaining in other side, we can write root 2 equal to a by b minus 6. Now we will explain this equation or this result. Here student, it is clear that a by b is a rational number. We have already taken supposed, and we know rational minus rational, rational plus rational, rational into rational, rational divided by rational. So these process always result a rational number. Here you see a by b minus 6. Since a by b is a rational number, this implies that 6 is also rational, and the difference of two rational number is rational number. So a by b minus 6 is rational. Now this a by b minus 6 is equal to root 2, means both are equal. So if RHS, that is a by b minus 6, is rational and it is equal to root 2, this implies that root 2 is also a rational number. This comes from the statement that now root 2 is a rational number. But before this we have already proved that root 2 is not a rational number, it is irrational number. So here this is the fact, because we have already proved that root 2 is irrational, and in this way LHS comes irrational, and RHS, if we compare with RHS, then root 2 is considered as rational. So this is contradiction, because we have already proved that root 2 is not rational, it is irrational. So we can say here that LHS and RHS are not equal. So this is contradiction to our supposition. This implies that our supposition is wrong. Hence, what we have supposed? We have supposed that root 2 is rational. So this supposition becomes invalid, or our supposition is wrong. So 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. So this proves. Okay. Similarly, other questions say 5 minus root 3, root 2 plus 7, 1 by root 2, 2 root 3 by 5. These numbers are proved on this basis just by this indirect method. All questions of this type can be proved very easily. Okay, thanks student. We will now see the remaining rest part of the real number in next slides. Till then, good night and have a good future. Okay, so thanks. Okay students.